What are the skills that are going to be necessary to survive in the near future? And what are the attitudes that are necessary? So the first thing is mental elasticity. What does this refer to? It refers to not having a set and a fixed mindset. It means that you are able to adjust as times are changing. The next thing is creativity. You are able, when we talk about creativity, we think maybe just, art and graphics and things, but that's not creativity. That's only one part of creativity. Creativity is looking at a problem and solving it in the most efficient way that no one else thought about. The next thing is problem-solving skills related to creativity. See how they flow one into the other. You're going to have problems, you're going to face problems all the time. The company you work for is going to face problems. Your business is going to face problems. How do you solve them? Problem-solving skills. From there, people skills. How do you deal with people is also very, very important. Today it's not about, they say it's more about your network than anything else. Your network is your net worth. So people skills. And what's really cool about technology is that it makes it easy for us to reach out to people all over the world. Social media. Then, critical thinking, the ability to look at something, and this is important. This is so important. We talk about critical thinking, but yet we ourselves, we don't realize that we are unable to think critically about a situation, because often we find ourselves just going with the flow. Because everybody is doing it, we do it. But we don't stop and think for a moment, this is madness. If everybody is doing it in a certain way, it doesn't mean it's right. There is a possibility that there's a better way of doing it. You'll be surprised how many business people sit with massive inefficiencies in their business, don't realize that they're making a mistake, that they're pouring money down the line. And I'll give you an example. Big investment company, they called me up for some training on data analytics. So I was training the team. It was a team of about 30 or 40 people. And I'm the type of person that looks for the root cause of any problem. That entire team had one job: to fix issues in data capturing. A team of 30 or 40 people fixing problems that data capturers made. So for example, they're capturing data about human beings, about people. Somebody missed out an ID number, somebody missed out a cell phone number, somebody missed out or put in a wrong format of an ID number. So I went back to the directors. I said, you know what? You want me to come and teach here? Fine, I'm happy to do that. But you realize the root cause of your problem is not here. It's the software system that's allowing the data capturers to enter incorrect data. If I miss out an ID number, then it shouldn't allow me to capture that data. If I put in the wrong format, it shouldn't allow me to, it shouldn't accept it. But they were unable to think critically. And that's a problem. And that's why companies get left behind. And then finally, STEM. Science, technology, engineering, and maths. But mostly the first two, science and technology. If you don't know science and technology in the future, you are a no one. 100 years ago, if you didn't know reading, if you couldn't read, if you were illiterate, you were nothing. Today reading is common. Everybody knows how to read. But if you don't know technology, you are out of the game completely.